Okay, take a look at the wrench extender. Comes with some gloves. Looks like they got kind of a nitrile coating on them. And then here is the extender. So this is a solid bar. Looks like it is about 5/16 of an inch, or approximately about 9 centimeters. What stands out about this one is it is actually fairly long. This one is about 13, almost 13 and a half. So quite a long bar. So for a breaker bar, which is what this is essentially going to be, this is going to give you a lot of extra torque. So this is my largest wrench. This is a 1 1/4. And it does actually fit around that. So if I need to extend the length of this thing, I can do that with this. What's cool about it is it has this little 1/2-inch drive socket area right here. So I could snap in a 1/2-inch drive breaker bar, and I can make that basically as long as I want, with the benefit of having an open end wrench on the other side. So maybe if you don't have the access to put on a box end wrench, now I have a very long open end wrench. So I'll be able to crack open pretty much anything that I can get this on. Now what's extra cool about it is you could use that with a wrench, but you could use it with pretty much anything. So maybe I was like cutting cardboard, my wrist was starting to wear out. I could take this guy, I could flip it around that. I could use this hand to kind of push it down and then use this to kind of push it up. So I could turn this into a two-handed blade tool. So really the uses of this thing are kind of endless. All right. That's a pretty cool tool.